Hello, friend. Thanks for joining me today. So today I'm going to go over how to safely, effectively, and affordably use your essential oils. There's three ways doTERRA allows us to use these oils, and that is aromatic, topical, and internal. So you can smell, taste, and touch. Aromatic is the most common way to use essential oils. You can diffuse it, it purifies the air, it supports the respiratory function. You don't need a whole lot of oil when you diffuse in a water-based diffuser. Just need 3 or 4 drops. Anything more than that is just going to be a waste of oil. You can also apply topically. You can put it on the affected area, right onto the skin. You can dilute with fractionated coconut oil or any carrier oil if you're concerned with skin sensitivity issues, because when you do introduce oils to your body for the first time, your skin is going to react because it's like, this is new. What is this? What fractionated coconut oil or carrier oil does is hold the oil to the skin so more does get absorbed. You can apply it neat and then oil is going to flake off, and that's fine. You'll just become a walking human diffuser. And people are going to compliment how well you smell. What else? You can apply to the bottom of your feet. If you're concerned about, your skin reacting to it. The pores are bigger and more will absorb as well. And the third option to use these oils, you don't have to, it's just another option, is take internally. FDA requires any consumable on the market has to pass the GRAS test, generally recognized as safe. doTERRA does do that with their oils, and you'll have a supplement fact on the label of every bottle that is ingestible. The ones that are not will not have a supplement fact. You can put 1 drop in a 4 ounce of water, so very little. Again, you don't need to use a whole lot of oil when taken internally. You could do 1 or 2 drops in a veggie cap, 1 drop under the tongue. And the same applies when you use topical. You just need 1 or 2 drops. The only time you would use more than 1 or 2 drops is when you diffuse. So yeah, right. I'm going to do a quick demonstration on how to use these essential oils. I have my Pal Wild Orange here because it's an energy booster. It's a little early in the morning here. So you just want to hold the bottle in your hand like so, and you saw 2 drops came out. That's okay. That means my body needs it. You're going to rub your hands together. And the next step, this is the first way to use it, is aromatically. You want to cup your hands like so, and then breathe in deeply. And you want to do that for about a minute or 2 just to get the benefits of these oils. So deep inhales, and any oil you have left on your hands, just apply it to the back of your neck. So nice. And then to take internally, you can cup this hand and make like a circle with this one, and then inhale. I could taste the orange. So it's really lovely. So that's one way to take it internally. So that's all 3 ways you can use doTERRA essential oils: smell, touch, and taste. Let me know if you have any questions. Take care.